One of the ways to search for specific records in the BCH is to search by the BCH Record Unique Identifier, or UID. You can search two ways. You can use the free text global filter right over here, or you can select the record type and then use the free text subfilter right here. Let's examine both to see the difference. In the free search text global filter, type the record UID number. However, sometimes it's hard to remember the full number. In that case, you can always search by this number, the record number part of the whole UID. In old BCH, this record number was the only identification code for the record, and users were able to search by it. Well, you can do the same in the new platform. So let's remove this and let's type 14750. Then click on the magnifying glass or press enter. And the results will be displayed in front of you. However, you will notice that in this case, we see a lot of records, not just the one that we were looking for. This is because the BCH searches the entire database and it retrieves all records where this record number that you were looking for is referenced. However, the main record will always appear as the first one on the list. So this is the record that I was looking for. And how do I know? By looking at the record UID right here. 14750. That is the record that I was searching for. And all the records shown below, risk assessment records, lab records, country decision records, and so on and so forth, those are the records where this record, in this case LMO, is referenced. So let's open one. So this is the risk assessment record, and if you scroll down and look through it, you will see that the record is appearing right here. So that's why you see the risk assessment record, this particular record, also in the list. Let's look at another way of searching by record UID. If you know the record type you're looking for, you can first select it from the record types global filter. For example, let's select living modified organism record type and let's close this section. We will see the subfilters associated with the LMO record type. In the free text box, enter the BCH record UID. Again, if you don't remember the full UID, you can search by the record number part of the UID. In this case, let's use this one 14750. So let's remove this and type 14750. Press enter or click on the magnifying glass. And the results will be displayed in front of you. You will notice that in this type of search, the number of the results shown is much smaller. This is because in this search, the system looks not through the entire database, but through the database of LMO records only. So it searches through the database and all records that are associated with the record type that you have selected. In this case, we have selected LMO record type. And the results that you see here, the records you see here, have the record that you were looking for referenced in them. That's why you see so many results. For example, if we open this record and scroll through this LMO record, we will see that this record UID that we were searching for is displayed right here. However, the record you were looking for will always appear on the top, and you can verify that by looking at the UID number right here. So this is the record 14750 that we were looking for, and this is the one that appears on the top. Thank you.